Hey guys, how you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's tutorial I'm going to do something that's going to be very simple but also very effective. It's going to be how you can remove a background from any image for free and just takes only seconds. And guys, if you stay with me, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from this as well. So stay to the end and I'll show you how you can do that, guys. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we want to be going to over here, background.bg. Very simple. We just click on here like that, and it says remove image background 100% automatically and free. So we click here, an image that we want to upload. So if I just go up to mine, okay, so for example, if I want to edit this particular image, I just click on it like that. Then this shows up, uploading, bam. And then I can download it to anywhere I want. So I'll just put it in my downloads and I can rename it K1 for Keiron. And it's as easy as that. So now guys, if you want, then you can also upload it into Canva, and if you want to make a thumbnail for a YouTube video, or if you just want to put together a collage or a card or a brochure or anything like that, it's super easy. So I can just go here. Here is the standard settings for a YouTube thumbnail, and if I just want to go to upload, and I can upload it, it's going to ask me where it is, so I'll go to my downloads. And there it is, you guys. Super duper simple, right? And I said I was going to show you how you can make money from this. I'll take you over here to Fiverr, and I just did a search for background removal, and you can just see here, guys. So $5, $5, $10, $50. So guys, that took me, now I'm doing this tutorial so it's a bit slow, but it took me a few seconds. So you could bang out probably hundreds in a day if you had enough people who wanted that service, and if you're promoting it, you could make a very good little side business from this, guys. So this concludes my tutorial on how to remove an image, background image from any kind of picture you have for free, guys, okay? And if you like that, please like, subscribe, and comment, and please hit that bell button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Also guys, you can check me out here at KeironGHogg.com. Loads of other tutorials and other videos about making money online or affiliate marketing, anything like that. So take a look around and just drop me a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay guys? So I want to thank you for your time. This is Keiron Hogg signing off. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.